Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube Shorts black screen problem. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are connected in a Wi-Fi, or if you're using cellular data, you need to make sure that that is turned on. And once you've done that, go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for YouTube. And if you have the update button instead of the open button, just go ahead and click on it because you need to have the latest version of YouTube in order to fix this problem. Because sometimes that may be the reason why you are experiencing this problem. And once you've updated your YouTube application, just go ahead and check if the problem has been solved. And if it is still not solved, what you need to do if you're using your Android device, just go ahead and go to settings and clear the cache for YouTube. Okay? And now, if you're using iOS and the problem still persists, just go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstall the YouTube application again. Okay, so that is your last resort. So if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix YouTube Shorts block screen problem. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!